Are you among the millions of people trying to have a baby and just can't get pregnant? Well, listen up. These important tips and suggestions just might make the difference. Please welcome reproductive endocrinologist Dr. COFFLER with Tri-City Medical Center. Thanks for being with us again.
Thank you for having me on your show, Brooke.
So tell me why this is becoming a growing problem.
It is becoming a problem since women make career choices that actually much of the time it requires them to delay pregnancy to later in life, and age is actually the primary negative factor that affects fertility.
So it affects the quantity and the quality of the eggs as a woman gets older?
Correct. So since women are born with a finite number of eggs, both the quantity and the quality is diminishing with age, and that's actually happening as early as the early 30s. So the fertility starts dropping actually in the early 30s.
So what can women do in terms of potentially freezing their eggs if they know they're going to wait until later?
So that's actually a wonderful solution, and thank you for bringing it up. It's if a woman knows that she's going to be engaged in the next few years in a career choice that would make it hard for her to get pregnant, then that's really a good option, because and actually the younger the patient chooses to do that, the more likely that she's going to be successful if she ever needs to use them.
Mm-hmm.
The egg quality is going to be better in younger patients versus older patients.
And you and I were sharing earlier, and I told you I froze my eggs, and a lot of people do that. I have health condition, and others who might go through cancer treatment or something like that may want to freeze their eggs. It's a misconception that only celebrities do this. Tell us how possible it is for the average person to freeze their eggs.
So, right, so the media actually, when you hear about it only of celebrities doing it. Actually, it's worth looking into that, because it's probably more affordable than most people think about. It's not something that we actually offer it for a very affordable cost, and I think it's really a misconception to consider that just a procedure that is done by celebrities.
Okay, unfortunately we're flat out of time, but if folks want to reach out to you and get some pricing information and find out what's involved, they can call 855-222-8262 and reach directly out to you to help them. Thank you, Dr. COFFLER, so much for being with us today.
Thank you again for having me.
Okay, we appreciate it.
Nice meeting you.
All right, we'll send it back to you at the desk, Derek.